Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Nucleus 195 Snippets. We're joined today by Doug Bush, founder of ChartSmarter, who just published a report on the Nucleus 195 platform, which is available for free to all investors, and he's having a look at the consumer sector. Doug, welcome. And it sounds like you like the consumer sector.
Yeah, I'm seeing some good action within the group. We all know that consumer spending makes up about 2/3 of GDP, and although we know the stock market and the economy are two very different animals, it is encouraging to see the discretionary group acting solid. It's the second best of 11 major S&P sectors on a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, and year-to-date time frame. And investors actually usually like to see this gauge between risk on, risk off when they take a peek at the XLY. I'm trying to share this screen here. Okay, share. Hold on. Can you see this here, Mehdi?
I can.
Yeah, just a very basic chart here. It's a ratio chart comparing the discretionary group to the staples. You can see a nice uptrend here in April and May, and it's digesting this very nicely. Usually you're going to see a continuation move higher here. What that's telling me, the flavor is risk on. It's a good sign for the overall markets. And what I'd like to do also is show you a little bit of my report today. And we got it here. Share. Okay, here we go. And also, another thing that I actually like here is the group is behaving pretty sturdy in the face of seasonality headwinds. Here I'm looking at the XRT. The XLY, basically Amazon and Home Depot, I think, make up about 1/3 of that ETF. This is the XRT. We'll call it, quote unquote, the equal weighted consumer ETF. And you can notice here it's coming into a little bit of a sluggish period, August, September, and October.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll flare up again, a little bit of weakness, but, so far we're midway through August and it's showing some pretty good strength.
That's great. Very interesting. And are there any standout names within this group?
Well, I'll go over, like I said, I guess now I'd like to go over some of my favorite ideas in the space. This is basically my consumer note for today. Like you said, available exclusively on Nucleus 195. Here we have Flowers, 1-800-Flowers. It's been unched this week, a good sign, given that the prior 2 weeks were higher by about 16%, and the week ending 7/17 was higher by 22%. So it's real good to see this recent consolidation here. And I'm a big round number theory guy. You can see here in June, it found a nice floor in the 20 number. Right here, it's having a hard time getting through 30, but this is a bull flag. If this can push through that, remember, it needs to close above it, not just intraday. I think this can move to 35 pretty quick. It's sitting at all-time highs. I like that name. This is a name from our 811 consumer note we did this week, Revolve. It's actually about a 1-year-old IPO. Broke above a cup base handle of 1897 this Monday, and yesterday it just surged. It's up 35% this week. That's not a typo. It was a well-received earning report yesterday, and surely had some short covering mixed in with some organic buying, a pretty lethal combo. All right, let me just get into my 3 special situations here. One, eBay, I'm sure most people are familiar with. And in technical analysis, often an ideal buy point, Mehdi, is when a stock hits its rising 50-day moving average after a breakout. That's usually an ideal time to enter or add to an existing position. Again, I'm a big round number theory guy. You can see how eBay was halted at the 40 number here, 50 number here, was halted at 60 in early July. But I really like this break above this bull flag here, touching the 50-day moving average here. I think you can buy it here, and it's setting up a add-on double bottom pivot above 57.03. 2 more here. We have Chewy. I think we all know how consumers adore their pets. We can see you can see that through the price action in stocks like Zoetis or CTLT. Chewy is no exception. Again here, we saw a nice cup-base breakout, touched the 50-day moving average here. It's finding a little more strength again here, 60 number. Found some problems there. I think this is going to make its way higher. I like that one on a little bit of a pullback around 54. We're seeing some weakness, some slight weakness in the pre-markets here. And finally, Wynn. This is a former best of breed casino name trying to recapture that status. And you can see here, it's actually set up a bearish descending triangle, had resistance at a downward sloping 200-day moving average here in early June. Actually broke above that. So there were a lot of people positioned here to go short, broke above a bearish pattern. An adage in technical, from false moves come fast moves. This was taken out. I like this. It surged above its 50-day there as well. Again, it's being halted at its round 90 number. I think you can enter here on a pullback toward 85.50 into this gap fill. I like all three of these names, actually Flowers as well. Nice. And that's basically my note for today, Mehdi.
That's fantastic. Thanks, Doug. Really appreciate it. This is some interesting stuff.
Well, I appreciate that.
And I love to hear the exclusivity on Nucleus 195. So,
absolutely.
Anyone, if you'd like to get access to Doug's note, please sign up to Nucleus 195. It's available for free. Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you.